Hey there everyone. So let's figure out the best way to use CAD to create fire zone plans using scanned copies of existing floor plans that we have. So we have a sample floor plan over here that we want to turn into a fire zone plan. It's a raster image because it's a scanned copy. The first thing we want to do is to click on clean image, just to clean up the image that we can as much as we can. Remove speckles and holes. Ideally, if this isn't a completely black and white image, you'd want to take threshold over here. It's not available now because it's already a black and white image. Now we click on smooth, and that should be okay. The next step would be to click on convert image. So technical, vectorize and OCR. OCR is just for text, and in this case, let's go with architectural. You're going to want to set the raster line width a little bit lower, so maybe 2 pixels would be good. Let's click on run. You're going to see a preview of the converted image here. If we're okay with this preview, we click on OK here. If we're fine with this, we now save it as a vector file. In our case, if we're going to be using AutoCAD, we'll save it as DWG. Save it here. In this case, we already did it before, but let's just save over that one. Let's just click on OK. So once we're done with that, we just have to open it up on AutoCAD. I've already done so here. And then all we have to do is use the hatch command and just hatch in the zones that we want to include in the fire zones. So in this case, we want to turn the bathroom into something, or the bedroom into something, or this other bedroom over here. You just have to make sure that the lines are closed. So we have to do a little bit of editing on AutoCAD here, but this should be easy enough to do now that we have a vector copy of the scan file. I hope that this helps.